In this video, we will look at some of the best laser engraver logo markers on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Waynlux 3000 MW CNC Laser Engraver. The Waynlux 3000 MW CNC Laser Engraver stands out in the crowded market of portable engraving tools. Here's a detailed look at its high points. Small size, powerful laser. Despite its compact size, the Waynlux 3000 MW packs a punch with its 3000 MW laser power. This makes it significantly faster and more powerful than other portable engravers, allowing it to handle a variety of materials with ease. Whether you're engraving cardboard, wood, leather, cloth, bamboo, plastic, acrylic, or cut paper, this device can do it all. It's perfect for personalizing mobile phone cases, business cards, wallets, and more. However, it's important to note that materials like stainless steel, metal, glass, crystal, and transparent or translucent items require special treatment, like being sprayed with paint to be engraved. Simple Connect and Smart Control. The Waynlux 3000 MW offers seamless connectivity options. You can easily connect via Bluetooth to your Android or iOS device. The process is straightforward. Select your design in the free app and start engraving. For those who prefer working on a computer, USB connectivity to Windows or Mac is also available. Number 4. Engraver B for Laser Marking Machine. The Engraver B for Laser Marking Machine is a versatile and powerful tool designed for high-precision engraving and marking. Specifications and versatility. The Engraver B for offers a range of power options from 20 W to 60 W, catering to different marking needs. It supports both 110 volts and 220 volts power inputs, making it adaptable to various electrical standards. The machine is equipped with either a Max 20W or Raycus 3060W laser source, providing reliable performance for various applications. One of its standout features is its 2-in-1 functionality, allowing it to be used as both a desktop and handheld fiber laser marking machine. This dual capability makes it incredibly flexible for different working environments and tasks. Additionally, the machine supports rotary marking, enhancing its ability to engrave cylindrical objects efficiently. QR code, barcode generation, automatically generates QR codes and barcodes, which can be recognized by mobile phones, enhancing the convenience of product tracking and inventory management. Automatic code jumping simplifies the process by automating code transitions, making the machine easy to learn and use. Number 3. Dia Fiber Laser Marking Machine. The Dia Fiber Laser Marking Machine, particularly the M1 Pro model, stands out for its innovative design and powerful capabilities. Despite its small size, the Dia Fiber Laser Marking Machine delivers impressive performance. The pulse wavelength of 1064 nanometers ensures a carving effect comparable to larger machines. Weighing only 6.26 kilograms, its compact size is equivalent to a notebook. Number 2. Congo Z1 CNC Laser Engraver. The Congo Z1 CNC Laser Engraver is a powerful and versatile machine designed for both cutting and engraving. Powerful cutting capacity and speed. The Congo Z1 boasts a 10 W laser master equipped with an LDF-AC diode laser, allowing it to cut through 8mm wood in a single pass. This powerful laser is also capable of cutting or etching plywood, various fabrics, and even etching metals like aluminum and stainless steel. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of projects. The machine operates exclusively with Lightburn software, a popular choice among engraving professionals for its ease of use and robust features. Excellent safety protection. Safety is a paramount concern with the Congo Z1. The machine is equipped with several safety features to ensure user protection. Tilt protection. The engraver stops working if it tilts over 30 degrees. Number 1. Dia Laser Engraver CNC DIY DJ6 Laser. The Dia Laser Engraver CNC DIY DJ6 Laser is a versatile and user-friendly tool that combines modern technology with creative possibilities. Here's a comprehensive look at its standout features and benefits. The DJ6 Laser Engraver is designed to incorporate creative inspiration into high-tech engraving, allowing even novices to produce detailed and impressive masterpieces. Its intuitive interface and customizable options make it accessible for users of all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Powerful cutting function. Equipped with a robust laser module, the DJ6 can cut through various materials such as 0.2 mm paper, wood, and leather. This capability not only enhances the engraving experience but also adds a fun and creative dimension to DIY projects, enabling users to explore different materials and techniques. Visualization goggles. One of the standout features of the DJ6 is its detachable visualization goggles. This innovative design allows users to observe the engraving process without needing to wear goggles when the lens is installed. This makes it convenient and comfortable to monitor the engraving movement with the naked eye, ensuring safety and ease of use. 3 connection modes. The DJ6 offers 3 versatile connection modes to suit different working environments. Wi-Fi connection. Easily operate the engraver via the app for seamless control and convenience. Computer operation allows for diverse creation of pictures and text, enhancing the range of projects you can undertake. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.